Hello everybody, today I'm testing my new camera. I got the Dji Osmo Pocket and let me bring you go shopping. We are in Bath & Body Works now because I was looking for this French lavender foaming hand wash. I'm gonna buy this. If you like lavender, you will like this hand wash. This is so good. But this one is not having promotion. It's 1 for 38. The outside one is 2 for 50. Hi Nelson. So it seems that it's 2 for 50. I'm getting another one. First purchase of the day. Straight away, not even 10 minutes. I mean, this mall already got something. I got my favorite hand wash. Yeah, I don't use other hand wash other than Bath & Body Works, but I don't use shower gel or whatsoever from Bath & Body Works. Only the hand wash. The hand wash are good, right? Getting some ice cream from Cold Stone. My sister ordered this. The pie who loves me. The total for the ice cream is 16 ringgit and 90 cents. So expensive. Ooh.
Yeah, you got Graham crackers and Oreo. You need the Oreo.
Someone is very desperate.
Oreo. No, I want Oreo. Yeah. More.
你好大聲嘅你，嚇碎。
Eh, pinapay je lah.
你講abang boleh bagi lebih sikit.
Kuku. Yang fai je. Tak tahu. Tak cukup lah.
Nice. I want fries.
So you know, entertaining. Not bad, right?
OK 喎。
誒係有啲溶，不過 OK。係啊。你食到我嗰塊 Oreo。你啲啦。
It's good. Not bad. Let's go to Ubiso. So cute. So colorful. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
No.
Okay, fine. So cute. Hello. Wow. Who wants to be gangster? Here got those temporary tattoo. Nelson, you want to try? Be a gangster for a day.
I'm already gangster. Why you make you?
Please. No.
Yeah,
Is that how you... Oh my god. Oh my god. Who will want to buy this?
Slap people.
Tak faham lah. These plates are so cute. Cat lover must buy. Aiyo. Who wants to use a bag like that? Seriously. Okay, I don't understand. Got blue one. Got black one. Oh my god. Looks creepy though. We are going into Ikea! Oh my god, my voice cracked so badly. And yeah, guys, don't cringe because I pronounce it as Ikea, not Ikea. Ikea a bit too extra, right? So I pronounce it as Ikea! Let's go! Show you my OOTD for today. Super oversized t-shirt and shorts. Actually, the purpose of me coming into Ikea is because my friend told me they are selling salted egg yolk chicken wings in the cafe, but it's just too many people. I don't want to queue just to try that. Maybe weekdays I'll come and try again. And now, I'm looking for a pot for Maggie Mee because my mom threw the old one already. This one is nice with a glass cover. but it's 69 ringgit. So expensive. Actually, this one also not bad, but this one is a bit big for instant noodle lah. This is 22 ringgit 90 cents. Still okay. This type not bad also actually, but no lid. I need something with a lid. After 10 years of making a decision, I finally made one. I'm going to get this. 39.90. Next time, I want to buy this set. Everything is black, like my soul. Choosing a pillow. The name for this pillow is called Hamdan. Hamdan pillow. Wow.
好似嗰啲酒店嘅 pillow。
Bantal lebih lembut.
I want this.
No money, sorry lah. He's bored. Kesiannya. Wow. Macam tak smooth je. We are having BurgerLab for dinner. Looking at the menu now. Don't know which one to choose. So this is our total for the dinner. I order one Joe's Dirty Burger and one Elvis. I'm not sure, that one my sister ordered one. 2 burger with 3% share. Because I can't finish one of the burger. Look at that awesomeness. I think this is the beef one. What sauce is this?
Peanut butter and blueberry jam.
Peanut butter and blueberry jam. Oh my god, so weird. And this is chicken with, I also forgot what is it. Looks like bolognese sauce with cheese and chicken on top, I think. Yeah, and the fries with salted egg yolk sauce. Let me try. Okay lah, still better than the McDonald's one.
McDonald's 嗰個都唔係㗎。
Curly fries. The curly fries is good. Let me try this. Look at that. So juicy, so nice. But it feels like very hot. Okay. So I'm not a very adventurous person. My sister's friends say this is good. Blueberry peanut butter jam. I think this is cheese good and beef patty. Okay, very weird combination. There's so much going on, but the peanut butter sauce is quite strong. It covers the blueberry and cheese and also the beef. Okay lah, not bad. If you are adventurous enough, you can try this. After having dinner, let's do some auntie shopping. He's choosing pineapple, like auntie. Please, everyone knows this hack. Not only you. Get some potatoes, or shall I get this? Buy this only lah, no need to choose one by one. Oh, I want this, so expensive, 59.90. I love strawberry. Actually, I'm standing here, I can smell the strawberry already. Look at the long beans here. Wrap until so nice. Okay, I'll buy one. Ini okay lah. Frozen food, I like. What? This looks so good, but so expensive. Ooh, I like this dumpling, but they are not selling the kimchi flavor one. The kimchi flavor one is red packaging one. Next time bah. My god, what sorcery is this? Salted egg fish skin noodles. Oh my god. I feel like trying the original one, got the spicy mala one also. Damn. Damn. How much is this? Oh my god, so expensive. 13 ringgit 90 cents. Should I? Look at this, guys. This is so cute. Cookies, no. Shortbread shaped like a dog. Oh, this is star shaped. This one normal lah. But this is so cute. Look at our brother. Oh, finally. Finally, he's not making everything into one line. Embarrassing, yeah. Okay, so I guess that's it for my vlog. We are going back already. I'm feeling tired already. Not sure why. Maybe because I'm aging. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I'm still holding the change from the parking ticket. Bye!